Hello guys, this is Gökhan from BFT Packaging. Today I would like to talk about the wrapping papers, which is mostly used in the restaurant, cafes, bistros, pubs and bakeries. Actually, these papers are mainly divided into two, which is white paper and the brown paper. Brown paper is actually they are same papers, but the only thing is this looks more eco-friendly. This one looks like white. As size matters, any size can be cut. 25 to 30 centimeters, 30 to 60, or like this 70 to 80 centimeters, that kind of big sizes can be cut also. If we are talking about the print options, the print can be done up to 4 colors. Like for example, this is one sample for 4 colors, this is another for 3 colors. The only thing about the print is the logo, the artwork should be continuous. So we cannot put the logo, one logo on the middle. So this should be a continuous form. Also in white format, we have regular white sulphite paper and we have also greaseproof papers. Greaseproof papers is for the greasy foods. If you put your hamburger or sandwich which has the sauce in it, the greaseproof papers, they keep the grease inside the paper and it doesn't allow the grease to transfer to the outer form, so your hands stay clean. So it's an important paper to choose if you are serving a greasy food. If you're serving pizza or something like sliced pizza, greaseproof paper is the only solution actually. So the base prints can also be done like this one. The black base can be done or any color can be done. Again, the logo should be continuous form. So as I said, the brown paper and white paper is 40 GSM as a standard. Also the greaseproof versions are 40 GSM. Also we have papers like this for charcuteries. These papers are more thicker, like 80 GSM, and it's laminated. So you can put the meat, if you're a butcher or if you're serving a raw meat, you can put the meat inside and you can wrap the meat to this and you don't need anything else. So because it has a lamination inside, it doesn't allow the air to transfer inside the meat. So actually that's pretty much about it, about the greaseproof papers. If you have any questions, comments, please shoot below. I will try to answer as much as I can. Have a great day.